New construction home is under construction. Blocks to the Chesapeake Bay and Ocean View Beach Park, west/weekly summer concerts and activities. Near Navy Base Norfolk and I-64. Open floor plan, kitchen includes upgraded white shaker cabinets, soft close drawers and doors, west/Granite Tops, stainless steel dishwasher, stove and microwave plus a pantry. Vaulted ceiling in the primary bedrooms west/private ensuite bath, LG tiled shower west/enclosure and double bowl vanity west/granite top. Beautiful LVP flooring throughout the downstairs, all bathrooms, and upstairs laundry room. Plush carpet on the stairs, upper hall and all bedrooms. Mudroom at garage entry to home. 2-car garage door west/opener and generator plug also included. Fenced-in yard. Don't miss this beautiful home. Est Completion Late June.